Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you what you could expect from KLM's latest Business Class Amenity Kit. Please remember to follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this is KLM's Amenity Kit. This is the latest as of November 2025. So it's this reusable type of bag here. I guess people will have their opinions whether or not that cheapens the look of it, but yeah, I personally think it does. So you've got an eye mask, got the socks, good quality eye mask, by the way. Got some toothpaste tablets, toothbrush, bamboo toothbrush seems like a trend all airlines are going with. Got a KLM pen, a mini pen, some earplugs. Got lip balm, and you've got some face cream there. So those are the contents of KLM's latest Business Class Amenity Kit as of November 2025. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. If you think it cheapens the look with the kind of reused material look versus the luxury look of Business Class Amenity Kits. Let me know. Thank you.